You can look as expensive, as premium, as top quality as possible and still sell nothing. You may ask, why is this? Well, I'm here to tell you that you gotta build up your brand culture. I'm Christian Mercado, founder and CEO of Pause Media, where we help brands scale online through content and social media. And there are a lot of brands that look premium, but really don't sell anything. And this is because of the brand culture. Brand culture is the community, the, let's say, aura of the brand you have. Polished visuals don't always mean sales. For example, one brand that is doing really well with their brand culture online is Tame Psychotic. Marshall Cruz really focused a lot on building the brand culture, building the feeling, the identity people get when they buy a piece of Tame Psychotic. Brand culture is very visible to customers. Whenever people buy, sometimes they buy for the clothes themselves, but most of the time, people buy for the culture they're buying into, the persona they're buying into. So let's say for Nike, Nike's culture is excellence and winning. Most people buy Nike over any other piece of clothing because they want to become a winner. They want to become successful and be excellent. It's not like they're higher quality or anything, but it's the culture that really sells the customers. And that's why they can charge more, because more people want to buy into their culture than any other culture. One exercise you can do if you don't know your brand's culture is just go on Pinterest, make a Pinterest board, name it like your brand, your company or whatever. You can either search or just scroll through the images in Pinterest, looking for the images that resonate most with the culture of your brand. So let's say you are a ski company. Find photos of like the mountain, people skiing, different skiing gear, but make sure it's like the aesthetic, the type of brand culture photo you want. And if anything, you can go out there and make your own, inspiration content. So make sure you have like a Pinterest board, a centralized place, a Google Doc of where you take different photos and images and illustrations and videos that are correlated with the brand, and you put them all in one place so that you have one place to reference whenever you are making a piece of content or a piece of clothing and you want to make sure it ties to the culture. So just because your brand is polished, it won't always sell. So focus a lot on building your brand culture, and you'll get those loyal customers. If you're having problems building your brand culture with content online and don't know how to do it, click the link below and schedule a free consultation call with me, and I'll help you get on your feet. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.